Here's how you can hide specific apps from your iPhone without deleting them. So let me show you the way that you can do it. If you are new here and first time on a Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. Okay, so we need to be running the latest version of iOS. So just at first go to the settings, general and a software update and be at least on the iOS 26. There is currently 26.3, the latest version, but at least the 26 is the prerequisite or requirement. And then you can locate any app that you want to hide. It might be on the home screen or in the app library. You just hold down on it, and there is going to be the button which says require Face ID. So when you tap there, you can see that another window is going to pop up, and this time we have two options: require Face ID or hide and require Face ID. Because if you just click on require, the app is still going to be visible. It will only require your face to be scanned in order to enter the app. But if you click on the hide option, it's going to tell you once again what the thing is about, and this app will simply not be visible on the iPhone home screen. It will not be part of the library or in any searches or suggestions. It will simply be hidden away, and it is going to only appear in the app library. When you go all the way to the bottom and find the hidden folder, you need to again scan your face to even see what's inside, and then you'll see the applications which are hidden, and you know that they are there, but it's kind of like all obscured, and you have access to them. So I guess that is the thing that you are looking for. Let me know if you managed to find it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and similar videos to this. And I hope to see you later in those upcoming tutorials. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.